In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Perplexity default search engine in Chrome. By the end, your Chrome address bar will send searches straight to Perplexity, saving you a few clicks every time. First, make sure you have a Perplexity account ready and that you can sign in. You won't need to enter any personal details in this setup, but having an account ensures you can use all features once your searches land on Perplexity. Open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. If Settings looks a bit busy, use the search box at the top of the page and type Search Engine to jump right where we need to be. You're looking for the section that manages search engines. It may be labeled Manage Search Engines or Manage Search Engines and Site Search, depending on your Chrome version. Click Manage Search Engines. On the page that opens, find the Add button and click it to create a new custom search option. A small form will appear with three fields: name, shortcut, and URL. In the name field, type Perplexity AI. This is just a label so you recognize it later. In the shortcut field, type Perplexity. This shortcut is optional, but it's handy. You can type this word in the address bar and press Tab to trigger Perplexity directly. Now for the URL field, enter exactly this: https://www.perplexity.ai/%s. Feel free to pause the video here and copy that text to avoid typos. The %s part is important. That's where Chrome inserts whatever you search for. Click Add to save it. You'll now see Perplexity AI in your list of search engines. Find it, click the three dots next to it, and select Set as default. That tells Chrome to use Perplexity for any searches you type in the address bar. Let's test it. Open a new tab and type any query into the address bar, then press Enter. You should land on Perplexity with your results already loaded. If you set the shortcut, you can also type the word Perplexity, press Tab, and then your search terms to send a query directly. If something doesn't switch right away, double-check that Perplexity AI appears as default in the list. Also, make sure the URL includes %is exactly as shown. That's it. You've set Perplexity as your default search engine in Chrome. Enjoy faster access to answers every time you search.